Under Proposition 6, Javier Idris aka Arjaber, arrested by virtue of warrant of arrest for the crime of murder last August 27, 2024. Subject to citation that PT Drive, Barangay Santa Catalina, Zamboanga City. Wherein victim was identified as Norit Zamuna Muhammad, 63 years old, female camp, land Barangay Arena Blanco, Zamboanga City at 6:55 p.m. on March 30, 2024. Another one, Position 6, under Position 6, we have Alan Romualdo Natividad, arrested during a course of operation. Subject was accused in shooting incident at Bagong Dalan, Barangay Tubungan, Zamboanga City, last August 27, 2024 at 7:15 p.m. Of the same day. Subject was arrested during a course of operation. The victim was Gilberto Alvarez Polo, 40 years old, and are both residents of the said area. The people reportedly shot Paul shot through Polo in his left arm after a dispute stemming from death accusations. Under Police Station 7, we have Renelo Ritoraldi Torres, aka Ray, arrested by virtue of warrant of arrest for the crime of murder at 3:07 p.m. of August 21, 2024. Subject was shooting incident last on 6:51 p.m. of April 12, 2024 at Bypass Road, Barangay Pasunanga, Zamboanga City. And another one is under the Safety Intelligence Unit. We have the Ardasan Muhammad Kahal, Akadas, most wanted person, top 611, arrested by virtue of warrant of arrest for the crime of murder. Subject was accused in shooting incident transpired at Phase 2, Sitio Asinan, Bangkasanyan, Zamboanga City, where the victim identified as Elmer Arisa, Tubato, and LGBT community. So, I will now turning over to the City Mayor and the City Director for additional information and statement.
And we are doing this to be able to at least report to the community at large the arrests of several suspects who has been involved in several shooting incidents around the city. We also would like to report to the Honorable Mayor the accomplishment of our teams and our stations and our commanders who are working tirelessly to really account and for us to give justice to the victims of the shooting incident that has transpired since the time that I took over in March of 2024. But we're also accounting the shooting incidents that has happened even before that. As of this time, we have a total of 67 shooting incidents since January of 2024, and we have solved 21 cases. We have filed and arrested suspects involved in the shooting incidents, and also we have cleared 37, which we also have filed cases against individuals, and we're waiting for warrants of arrest to be issued by the court so that we can implement the warrants. We have remaining 9 incidents that includes the last 3 that has happened in Lunsuran, in Villa Santa Maria, and the last one sa Pantalenco kahapon. We are of course seeking the support of the community at large to help us with information that could help us solve the remaining cases and bring justice to all the victims. We wanted, of course, also to express our gratitude for the support of the local chief executive because operationally we have been supported by our mayor, and we are very thankful because that also renders our operations effective around the city. It is not very easy to render all these operations, but with the support of everyone, also our barangay chairman and those individuals who are providing us with information, we express our gratitude to them and to you all because all the cases also, we are working also with members of the media, especially in the filing of cases. So maraming salamat po sa inyo, and I would like to personally commit, especially of course to our mayor and to the people of Zamboanga, that we will not tire in accounting the remaining suspects with this incident that's happening around the city. It may not be necessarily that these people are from here, from our city, but we will make sure that we will arrest and we will entirely operate against all these criminals who are trying to disturb the peace that we're enjoying around the cities. I would like also, of course, to pass on the microphone to our city mayor for his guidance. Thank you.
I'd like to commend the Zamboanga City Police Office headed by City Director Colonel Kimberly Militas and the Police Station 6 headed by Police Major Caronan, Police Station 7 Police Major Akyatan, and the CIU headed by Lieutenant Colonel Iliado for this arrest ng 4 suspects no, na unas de yating mga shooting incidents in August. So I'd like to commend to the Zamboanga City Police Office for this accomplishment. So as Mayor of Zamboanga City, at yung na dahil yung full support ng yaton Zamboanga City Police Office. So continuous yung yaton support, continue yung yaton reward. And rest assured, ay dahil kita justisya kung mga biktima de tiro ng yaton sila. So again, I'd like to commend for this accomplishment del yaton Zamboanga City Police Office.